Hey guys, today I'm giving you a quick overview of Acuity Scheduling, a powerful online appointment tool used by fitness studios, therapists, salons, and consultants in 2025. Acuity lets clients self-book appointments via a custom page that matches your brand. It automatically shows open time slots, processes payments or deposits, and syncs with Google, Outlook, or iCloud calendars. You can build intake forms, attach cancellation or late policy terms, send automated email and SMS reminders, and let clients reschedule or cancel themselves. It's all about streamlining client communication and reducing no-shows. Acuity offers two-way calendar sync and supports multiple staff or locations, blocking of personal slots automatically. Great for teams or business owners with complex schedules. There's no free tier, but the 7-day trial is free. Plans include starter, $16 a month, standard is $27 a month, and premium is $49 a month. Acuity is perfect for service-based businesses like coaches, clinics, gym, tutors who need client intake, payment processing, class packages, and reliable scheduling in one place. Acuity is a robust appointment tool that helps you automate bookings, reminders, and payments, ideal for solo pros or growing teams.